Guys, during this lockdown period, we are staying at home and also our parents are working from home. But the speed of internet is very slow. But why? So watch this video till end. Today in this video, I will tell you the approximately reason. So I am Shafi, you're watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Guys, there are two reasons for slow internet. Number 1. So guys, due to this COVID-19, many network operators slowed down their internet connection. For example, I will show you one screenshot. So guys, I directly messaged Airtel on Facebook. So guys, from this message, what I understood is, due to the lockdown, there are no staff at their operating offices. So guys, as we know, due to the lockdown, anyone are not allowed to go out of the home. So that's why even in the network operating offices, there are no staff. So if there are no staff, then who will operate these type of services? So just think here. So that's why the speed of the SIM cards are slow. So guys, it is not their mistake, but we have to follow this lockdown. So everyone had to stay at home and we have to follow this lockdown for next some days. Yeah, just be patient. So guys, then what about Wi-Fi? Let's know. Guys, number 2. So guys, infrastructure. For example, let me tell you, so guys, there is one house. So in the house, we get water from many type of places like taps, pipes and etc. So the thing is, we get this water from the motor, right? So here what I am telling you is the motor is like a server. So guys, so now in the reality, what I am telling is, in the reality, there is one Wi-Fi network. So due to the lockdown, all the family is staying at house. So guys, so now all full family is using one same Wi-Fi network. So one member may be watching any type of movies, and one member may be watching any type of YouTube videos, and one member may be downloading, like any type of media, right? So guys, now here what I am telling is, these many type of activities are going under a single Wi-Fi network. So guys, here internet is being shared by many users. So Wi-Fi is not a server, right? So Wi-Fi is not a server. So guys, so now here, but the thing is, in offices it will not happen like this, because in office there is a good infrastructure, means good server, strong server. So guys, so that's why the internet is slow nowadays. But guys, I can help you from this problem. So guys, in my view, if you follow these steps, then definitely your internet speed will be very fast as compared to the before time. So make sure you follow this type of steps. So guys, finally this is what I want to tell you. So finally I want to end this video right now. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and also share this video to all. And if you have any type of doubts, then make sure you comment in the comment section below. And also till now, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And finally, I want to see you in my next video. Till then,